Hello, everybody. Hey, Borgia. Borgia just came down to see Ernie play in the back, and Ernie wanted to go out the second that I tried to start the stream. So, welcome to another Schematical live stream. I should probably put a link out. Let's see if I can put a link out. Oh, that guy just fell through the board. All right, I gotta make them appear above the board, I think. Or make the board appear lower. Yeah, make the board appear lower. Sounds about right. Yep. And Ernie's barking and stuff. Ernie, yeah. Sorry about that. That's had to get the dog in. All right. Wow, that was a mess. All right. Here goes. At least that didn't happen before I posted this link here. All right. So, let's play some more with this chessboard here. Never fear. How's it going? Your problem is confusing me. I have no idea. It looks like it should be valid JSON, but yeah. So their walk animation, when I changed the scale, really screwed it up. So, I'm gonna restart this. Just trash all that. Go to object. I need to change the name of this. All right, we're going to put it over here, hopefully, so it's a little closer. I need to do something about the. Just rebooted. I really need to do something about these. Why is it doing that? That's weird. There we go. Found a surface. Okay. Place the surface. You can see the legs trying to walk, but the upper body, the body's not being held up at all. I don't know what's going on with that head. That's crazy. Never fear says it's valid JSON. I checked with the syntax site. It's definitely valid JSON, but it thought that there was an object being passed in there. I'm a little confused by that. All right. So let me catch everybody up. If you're, let's see, it's struggling with the carpet. Yeah, it is. So I added a game manager. I started adding the concept of teams. So it's a collection of teams, and each team has a collection of pawns. And so what we're gonna do is my goal today is to make two pawns attack each other. Maybe even add in a weapon or something. Yeah. So I just added in the hands too, so we can do swinging motion. So, and I'm not really animating this thing. That's kind of the fun part about it for me, is it's totally ridiculous. Their walk stuff is going to be just gibberish. There's no real animation or anything. So I was going to make a swing arm, but that's going to have a count. Maybe we should just make a tick arm. Tick arms. So we'll do that. And then what we'll probably do is have an arm state of some type. and winding up, swinging, and then done. So we'll go ahead and make that, let's see, private arm state, sure. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, Banana Man. Roba, hello, Banana Man. Wagei, I haven't seen you in a while, yeah. Welcome. Let's see. So, in case you haven't been around for a while, we are doing an augmented reality game. I guess I can do a quick kind of demo. Slow down. Did it restart? No, it just doesn't remember where the chessboard was. Allow me to re-demo this. Why did Slack open up? Oh, I gotta change which screen I'm on, my bad. There we go. And so right now it's found the floor there, and we're gonna place our board. It's kind of like the board that we use to play. It's not gonna, in the end, not gonna be a chessboard, but ideally we'll be able to put down a bunch of guys. You could put down your guys, and I could put down my guys, and we can fight each other. And I'll have a bunch of different units in augmented reality. But right now, because something's off with the math, they just kind of float off into space. It's not quite there yet. Actually, I did put, you know what? I know why they're not falling so fast. I put a collider on the base, I think. Hold on. Where did I put a collider somewhere I shouldn't have, basically. Prefabs. Yep, mesh collider. That doesn't need to be there. I'm pretty sure it doesn't need to be. I'm just going to uncheck it. I just unchecked it. All right, come on. Good, okay, so we got rid of this. We actually don't need this plane anymore. You're done. All right, Disminer, how's it going? Wagei, what's new? VR stuff? Yes, yep. More AR. I played with VR just a little bit, but yeah. So technically, yeah. All right, that's technically it's AR. So there's definitely a little bit of a delay here, but all right. So hopefully we can fix the walking stuff. And so as I was just saying to Never Fear, that these, let's see. So we've got I'm doing a really crappy, intentionally crappy version of animation because it's hilarious. So I don't know why the head isn't floating up as much as I'd like it to. So we got up times 1, speed divided by 2. You know what? That's probably at the divided by 2. We want speed, I guess. Oh my god, times. You know what? I'm just going to make speed a lower number for now. We're going to see what happens here. So what do I have speed at? 2. Float. I'm going to make it 0.4 F. So that might help because I think this was overriding it. Either way, Mr. Mario Media, how's it going? You know, Minecraft Earth, it's the same thing. Is Minecraft Earth the thing where you can augment reality Minecraft? I thought about doing that too, but I'm pretty sure Microsoft did that on their fancy head display thing. Okay, so tick arms. We're gonna, if it's, can we switch arm state. Oh my gosh, arm state, case, arm state, dot, done, do nothing. I don't know, just make that a default. I suppose I don't even need to write that. Dot, winding up. I gotta make a counter for this. I'm gonna go arm count, int arm count equals -1. I guess I could just do case done return. Minus equals 1. Let's give him a windup of 2 seconds. That sounds a bit ridiculous, but all right. Mechanist, what am I doing? We're doing an augmented reality game right now. I can show you guys actually, for those of you guys just popping in, a little something. I'm going to stop showing this every time someone new pops in a minute, but there's our chessboard. There is our pawn models, and right now they just kind of float around, and I just had to scale everything down, so their walk animation's really buggy right now. But eventually, I will have them walking again, and by the end of the day, I'm hoping to have this so we can battle them up a little bit. So, augmented reality madness. All right, forgot what I was doing. Okay, arm count equals 10. And we need to change the arm state at that point to swing equals arm state dot swinging. Oh wait, no. So we want the swing animation to be fast. So that's going to only be 10. And what we'll do here is we're going to just take the right arm, right hand, dot velocity equals vector 3 up. I'm just going to have them lift it up and then just going to smash it down real fast. We'll probably dial that back actually times 0.1f. So, and that works. Okay, break. I hate when it tabs and breaks. I realize it's like the popular thing to do, but come on. Arm state dot swinging. Let's see. What device are you using as the camera? I have a Huawei Mate P20 Pro, I think it is. So it's got 3 cameras. Super Jerry says he'll join the stream when the news is done at 6 p.m. All right, that's good. The old phone. Actually, this this is my newer phone that supports AR. Slightly newer. I got it last summer. All right. So here, right hand velocity equals. We're just gonna go down with it, and eventually I'll calculate where it is times 2. All right, good. So what we need to do, and I guess if this whatever is less than 0, arm state just equals done. All right, and swing arm, we need to do this arm count plus equals, we're going to go 40, so 2 seconds to wind up. Go winding up, there you go, and then this should start catching it. Break. Good. Tick arms, good. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make it so, I don't know, we'll do math dot rand. Okay, random. It's just no, not random in Unity, right? Random in Unity engine dot range. Sure, we'll go between 0 and 100. If is greater than 98, then we're going to swing arm. So that should start. They should swing every once in a while, theoretically. All right, let's kick this thing off. Anybody got any questions while I'm doing this, by the way? I am always happy to answer questions. We're building, and while that's building, I'll pump open the phone. And it should automatically restart when it's done. Just go. Thinks I'm much closer to that object than I am. Super Jerry, how's it going? I take it the 6 p.m. news didn't last too long. Hopefully good news. All right. I think I need to do something with the hands. That head is freaking out. I'm not sure what we're going to do about the head. All right, I have no idea. Pair Chaos Net with this and let the AI learn to walk ragdoll. It's tempting. All right, so I didn't like that one. And I didn't see the arm swings. We need to get him to stand up first. So let's go in Unity here and take a look at that prefab there. And so if we look in here, the head, where's the head? The head, I think I turned off gravity on, but I'm not quite sure how we're gonna have to do this, but yeah. I think Unity has built-in ML system you can use for something like that. I did want to play with their ML system a bit, but I also want this to be hilarious. So, all right, we're gonna go and we're gonna just give the head a bit more lift. I didn't want to do this earlier because they actually kind of float off in space a little bit, but I'm gonna have to do something. We're gonna give it the up times, and it's a lot of up velocity. That might actually be the problem, that the head is just times. Let's drop the head velocity. I was saying I was gonna raise it. Let's drop it down a little bit there and see if that does it. Also, I'm gonna up this chance a bit because I didn't see any arm swinging. Got 50% no. That's insane. Swing arm, and we're gonna do if arm state dot. Actually, we're gonna have to go if arm state dot done equals. Well, I'm gonna have to do this either way. I have to give it a default value no matter what. Return. All right. We just got to give the arm state a default value of done. All right. Let's do this again. Also, I never got the remote stuff working. So the remote dev stuff. Super Jury, I don't know if you got that working or not. The twitching is just crazy. I know. That's why I'm doubting the amount of lift velocity. Though they're not standing up, you'd think that would lift them up, but no. All right. I'll tab to there. Good. All right. Hold on. It's got to finish restarting. I think the up velocity is just too much. Come on. There we go. That's the only thing you found that you think is a... You can see the legs trying to work. Go, do the arm. Do the arm. Do something with the arm, someone. I don't know. How do you get him to stand up? I got remote playing, but it didn't work with remote play working, but it didn't work with AR. Dang. The game thinks it's running on my laptop, which can't do AR or something. Interesting. All right. So, all right. So let's go back over here. Because there's a couple of joints in the collider. Let's take a look at the root. Maybe it's not the collider. It's the... Where the heck is it? So hips, I could make like most of the body not follow gravity, but the limbs, you know? So I could just, I'm just gonna turn off gravity on a bunch of stuff. So the hips, the spine, I think that's most of it. So hopefully that stuff will be lifted a little more. Then we're going to up that gravity, the lift on it, which I think is going to cause it to behave weirdly, but we're going to find out. So let's go back to here, and we're going to make this 2. Wonderful. All right. And Control B, building, good. Lift velocity might be lift as in aircraft lift. I'm not sure. The leg movement looks aggressive. That's true. I could dial back the leg movement even more. But all right. Alt tab. There we go. Waiting for the restart. There's the restart. Don't judge me because I got dating apps on here. All right. You get lonely. Okay, find some points. Come on. Go. There we go. All right, there we go. Hey. Whoa. Did you see that neck? Hold on. That's not right. Okay. We've gone too far. We've gone too far. Wade Yai. It's the bird sound at background are real. I don't hear any birds. I'm indoors. There's no desktop audio coming through. I do not hear bird sounds. I could be freaking out, but okay, so vector up. Let's try it at 0.5. The walking got a little better. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Is we're gonna make the arms move in opposition to the legs. Let's see. If arm state dot equals done, we're gonna just make this let's do that'll be right arm velocity and right that'll be left arm. Left hand, my bad. And we're just gonna make that 0. This is totally gonna screw up when they walk off stuff, but whatever, we'll figure it out. That's half the fun of it, right? I don't know if I really need to move it up. It'll be fun to watch. Let's see what happens. Alt tab. All right. It almost looks good except the head. Yeah. If there's a rigid body, you shouldn't change velocity. Usually add force is what you do. That is a good point. That is a good point. I should probably switch to doing that. So I'm glad it doesn't show my lock screen. All right, we're gonna try and zoom in here a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's so much better for you guys. Got to be 175%. All right, track my floor. Come on. Here we go. Hey. Oh wow. Okay, hold on. This is probably the dumbest way of teaching them to walk, but okay, let's dial back those arms. That's not there. Ah, YJ, there's a program on your computer that was making the bird noises. Okay, that's good to know, because I thought I was going crazy here. All right. Walk direction times speed. Oh, it probably vector up is too much. That's probably what's going on. We're going to do that. Do that. Divide by 2. Wait, nope, wait. That's not what I want to do. I want to get rid of this. And we're just going to do it divided by 2 so it doesn't move quite as much as the feet, theoretically. The scary thing is I was also hearing bird noises too. Ah, Super Jerry, that's how I walk. All right, we're not going to spend too much time on this because now I got to make sure they know each other's going. Actually, let's do that before I even run it. Okay, so what am I talking about? All right, we're going to do this. We're going to go Game Manager, and I guess right now I'm going to do this. Game Manager dot teams dot add new C team. Oh, I should probably give it a name. All right, we're going to actually make an add teams function. Public C team create team string ID. There we go. Add C team ID. And there. In reality, I'd have a menu to do this. Alt enter. Create construct C team. Private string ID. All right. That's great. Wonderful. And I should probably return this then. C team. There we go. Cool. I'm going to do this here because I'm lazy. Wait, no. I'm just going to call it schematical for now. Again, this would all be done during a proper user interface setup stuff. What? Oh, GM dot. All right, cool. And in here, we're just going to add those pawns every time. We're going to add this to the list of pawns. There you go. Create anchor game object. All right, cool. Here we go. Excuse me. There we go. Game manager dot get game manager dot teams dot get. You don't have a get. Don't have a get. Contains key, contains value, get object. I forget how this works. Excuse me. Well, we're just going to do this. Value 0 dot. It does not like that. Oh, for crying out loud. Give me a second here. No, it actually, okay, never mind. I'm just using the wrong interface. It just needs. Really? How does that not? All right. I'm a little rusty on my C#, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, it looked like I got there. All right, good. Dot pawns dot add game object get component pawn. What is it? ARCore pawn. Oh, it's got a string to it as well. Yeah. Game object dot name plus, I guess, C team dot pawns dot length count, whatever. All right, cool. So now we've got that information. So what we're going to be able to do is the pawn is going to be able to target other stuff. So let's see. Checking chat now because I realize I haven't done that in a while. Ragdoll slap fight simulator. Yes. What am I trying to do? I'm making them so they can target other pawns. So instead of just walking off the map, they'll walk towards other pawns. I should probably. You know what? I just realized this. C team. I'm definitely shooting from the hip here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. We're actually going to assign the name there, and that's going to be its ID equals. We'll just go pawn count, and so that's its ID. So that way, it knows who it is when I go to compare it. ARCore pawn dot. So. Nope. Core pawn, yes. Equals null. I guess I should just call it target. Team pawns for each. Sure. There we go. And that should be an ARCore pawn. Uh-oh, spinny wheel. That's not good. It should be a move towards an IR. Yeah. I need to make their torso face it too. I think I lost you guys. Let me know if you can hear this. Equals. And, wow, I don't know. If. Oh, wait. I don't know if I'm broadcasting right now. Broadcasting. I hope you guys can hear this. Yeah, you can hear me? All right. For some reason, my thing says it's spinning wheel. So here's where it gets tough. Now I've got to figure out the position. I think I can just do target dot local position, game object dot, maybe it's transform. Yeah, transform dot position minus game object dot transform dot position, and then I think we just normalize that, and we're gonna go vector. Actually, it's gonna be walk direction equals that. Okay, that works. The only thing I got to do is if target not equals, we'll go equals, no, not equals null. All right, else we're just gonna make walk direction 0. And then we're just gonna make a little check here in walk that if walk direction 0, just don't do nothing. Don't do anything. I apologize for my bad English. It is my native language, so you'd figure I'd be better at it, but no. Better at C#, which I'm really rusty at, but still better than English. What are your watch hours like? Like 2,200? They've definitely tapered off. It's not blowing my mind. You could use something like rigid body add force, math.sign, disminer for the win. I will, oh God, I'm spinning wheel again. I don't know if it's going or not. I will make note of that. Hopefully this works. All right. So, all right, let's see if that blows up. Control B. Okay, it looks like it's going. Alt tab. Oh, it moved my streaming one. There we go. I am hungry, and it's almost lunchtime. Buffered there for like a little bit, yeah. All right. I need to make it place the board in the center of where I touch because this is really awkwardly close to me. Waiting for it to restart. I got a feeling if it takes this long to restart, it may not actually be doing it. Y'all saw that. I clicked on it, right? Okay, there goes the restart. All right, that was early. Good. Oh, see, that's the way I want the board put down. So my guess is it's throwing an error, but I don't have that information. I need to like get that logging. They're just falling over dead. That means that none of it's really happening. So, all right, let's move back to here and see if there's anything obvious I missed. All right. I wonder if you can make the log go to text output from the screen. I don't know. It's looking console. There's nothing going on there. I could hook up with Logcat, I think, or whatever the Android equivalent is, and try and figure it out that way. I'm just looking to see if there's, because this head stuff definitely isn't getting hit. Go like that. So that means it's probably blowing up here. If target not equals null, target name not equals game object name. Okay, so it's like one of these values up here is null. But pawns, we are creating pawns right away. Yeah, that dictionary exists right away. The only possible, so I mean, my guess is it thinks the teams is null. I don't know. It's Volix. Hey, fun AI stuff, AR stuff today actually. Augmented reality. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that there and see if it blows up again. This is interesting. I can click on Unity and it does not open. 4 times it took to open it. Gotta love Windows. And Unity. That's cool. I think I found the bottom of the. Oh, you can't see that. Alt tab. It's like it found the bottom of the surface there or something. Yeah, I wonder if I could place stuff on the ceiling. I found the smoke detector. And it restarted. I'm gonna create a script you can throw in the log, hopefully. Alright. That'd be cool. Alright. Find my table. There we go. Yeah, I think the whole thing must be blowing up. Oh, lovely. All right. Well, let's go back and try and we need to get through this. Oh, did I forget to restart today? I forgot to restart. Oh, no. I did restart it after last time. I was going to restart it again. Blender still won't load for me. Disminer. That's usually when it's not responding for whatever reason. All right, so we've got the same error here. It is set. Set up Android SDK path to make it work. So if I go into is it project settings or preferences, I can't remember. No, get out of here with that. If I go into file, edit preferences, external tools, they're all set. JDK installed, SDK is installed. All right, all of that stuff is set. So this says, please set it under preferences, external tools, Android. All right, so we're going to copy this message because it's totally set. And we're going to just go and debug that. It's Velox. Codes IRL stuff accidentally makes Sword Art Online. All right, past that. Let's see what this one's got. Forgot to select Android build support during installation. Okay, sure you. Just make the window bigger. What the heck? You installed Android, but you don't find it. Oh, That's okay. And I did. All right. Just make the window bigger. Okay, that's a different problem now that I actually read the problem. All right. Hopefully this guy's got it sorted out. Do I need headphones? Yes, I do. Okay. I probably got to install Android Studio here. 1 second. Totally reading all that. Did some memeing. Just hit clear. Just hit clear on the air. I can do that. And then we'll hit play again, I suppose. Oh, hold on. Clear. Now play. Same thing. I have a feeling installing the Android, this IDE will help, because I can also grab the logs easier now that I got all these tools here. Just hadn't bothered to install it on this computer yet. Oh, that's cool stuff. All right. You're useless, man. Can't wait to see where this is going. Yeah, that should be fun. Man, I had a big breakfast. Not sure why I'm so hungry for lunch. Yeah, I downloaded this free low poly set here. I'm tempted to use these guys as creatures as well, but it should be fun. Let's see what else I can get for low poly stuff while this is installing. We get free. I can get some trees. We can get some cars. Oh, we get some weapons. I can't wait to see these guys just shooting off into space. Low poly water. This is perfect. Yeah. Debating if I don't want to be obviously realistic at all with this. So I'm not sure if I want guns or don't want guns in it. We'll see. Low poly ninja. Oh, sweet. I'm stealing this one. Well, stealing it, I'm going to download it. Looks like an alien too. It could be an alien ninja. It's gonna be so lo-fi. All right, next, finish. Go on. We have ninjas fighting each other in the most ridiculous manner possible. What's that? You can have them throw fruit. Fruit Ninja. I think that game's already been done. You can have them play soccer. There's a bunch of bombs, I guess. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Have them throw a squirrel. Yes, this is quite awesome. Welcome, Miss Wizard. We'll set up blah 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 blah. We don't need always with the Dracula. All right, good. All right, well, this goes. I'm going to move it to another window so I can see what's up. And we're going to keep looking at low poly assets that we can scavenge for our own uses. Low poly mega pack. What do you got? All right. Buildings, desert island, some basic utensils for combat. See, we should that. Okay, we probably should just get this one right now because I want to give him a sword. Somewhat breakable. It'd be cool if we could just knock these over. Not even. I don't even care if they break or crumble. Real. Just we'll put them in the levels. We're adding this to our assets. This is done. Open in Unity. Download. Got it. Yes. Got it. I think. Hey, we're still being productive even while we wait for other stuff to go. All right. Where did that go to? Where did you just download this to? Low poly mega pack. We have to refresh or something? Is it in prefabs? It's not in prefabs. Import? Oh, maybe that's the button I didn't. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got a problem with the install here. Oh. Maybe that worked. Okay, let's try running this again. Okay, let's maybe do this, do that. Okay. Oh. Not angry now. Okay, let's one of these. It's import project profile configure SDK manager. Okay, so I think we're supporting back to Android 7, so that might be the case. If we got, let's. You may need to restart Unity. All right, let's do that. See if you can get a military pack. I will do that. Okay, come here. All right, file, exit, save. I forgot to finish importing that package. Whoops. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to have some guys throwing potions. I think that's would be appropriate. Fantasy weapons, all sorts of crazy stuff. These are actually fairly high poly though. I mean, not crazy high, but okay. I forgot to restart it. Oops. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I can give them office props. Have an office battle royale, like that movie that came out recently that I don't think anybody saw. Have the police roll up and arrest them. Fantasy clouds, that'd be cool. Put some clouds in there, floating around. Kind of give you the scale of things a little better. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that chessboard and we'll put down something like that. All right, we're up. Ready? Everybody cross your fingers. Well, that sucks. What do we... I'm trying to remember how to do it. There's like a there's over here. There's like a build settings and stuff like that. That's not project settings, is it? Let's go to maybe like build settings, Android. You know what? Maybe I should have put development build. That might have been part of the problem. I don't know. It's build and run. Sure. Yeah. Maybe that might have been, well, I don't know. Can I just close that? Did that take build settings? That did take. Okay, cool. Player settings. That's probably what I'm looking for. Project settings? Why? Okay, that was project settings, player settings, whatever. All right, let's try this again. Nope, same problem. Did not help in the least bit. Hmm. Let's see. Target minimum API level. Okay, target API level. Let's set this to 10, and let's make sure that this says that it's got 10 on it. It's got 10 plus. You know what? I'm gonna install this just to be on the safe side. Safe side. I can't talk. 1.1 gigabytes. No. All right. Accept. Next. Totally reading that stuff. All right. And while this is going, we're of course going to go back and look for more crap to throw in this game. We could just make it like an office battle royale. That actually could be kind of cool, because a bunch of this stuff is going to be like, I mean, you probably put it on your table or your desk or something, so we could make it look like they're fighting with objects that would be on your table or desk. That could be cool. Buffering, I think we're back from that. I think hopefully, well, I mean, by the time you hear this, we'll be back from that. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Sci-fi rifle, that's cool. I already got the chess set. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Oh wow. See, especially because right now the world's in such a weird spot, at least here stateside. I'm tempted to not. I want this violence to be as fighty, cartoony as possible. I don't want to incite any real violence right now because we're having a problem with that right now. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna stay away from that as much as I can. I just don't have the stomach for it myself. All right. Yeah, I want something whimsical, something that's gonna cheer people up. Now here goes some monsters we can throw in there. There's exactly 2 of them, I guess. It's trying to upsell a $20 RPG monster set. That's kind of cool. They look too realistic. Shenanigans. Needs to be as low quality as we can get. Low poly soldier. Yeah, too human like. We need this to be so over the top. By the way, this is still unzipping, so I'm not just screwing around here. Evidently, this can't go back. We're stuck with, okay, there we go. And some of these are some pretty high quality models. I'm impressed. What do these look like? These look, I don't know. It's kind of cool, like an upgradable weapon set. That'd be cool. Oh, there's a quick look button. Okay, I'm an idiot. I should have used that the whole time. Little space station. Ooh, a survival kit of some type. That's cool. I'm just gonna scatter this stuff around the map. Cyber Ninja Sword. Oh man, I hit the quick look. Oh yeah. Just it'd be hilarious if this thing was like it. I just use like the best quality like models and all that stuff, but then just use the worst animation and just had them slap fight each other with really high quality models. Look at that, we can have a little fort going on there, bridges. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good stuff. Okay, let's go back and look at this and see if that actually installed. I don't think it did. So we downloaded that. I think the import failed. Failed to import package, cannot import while in play mode. Okay, that makes sense. Let's get out of play mode. Package manager, import. Okay, this finished now too. So we have 10. I think I applied. It's all applied already. Okay. And now we wait. So I explicitly set it to use the same version 10. It's like 10, it's weird, 1029 of Android. So hopefully that works. Also, I need to change this. The company is definitely schematical. Chematical. Okay. And then I say it all dramatically and I misspell it. We're just going to call this Chaos AR for a second. Because I am not creative when it comes to naming things. Okay, minimum API level, and we're going to set that to 10. We need the ADV SDK. Okay, it's back, I think. All right. So it's specifically the ADB it's not finding there. So SDK update sites, SDK build tools. Let's see, shell helper. How are you doing this again? SDK editor preferences. Platform. So here's where it's doing. It's get the path to the ADV, SDK Unity editor preferences. So I wonder if I can put a breakpoint in here. If that shell helper is part of this. Okay, let's walk through this. Okay, it clearly didn't right there. All right, let's stop this. Let's go back to Rider. I'm actually going to move Rider to another screen for a moment. And I'm going to try and hit the debug here. Well, I guess. Wait. Oh. You switched. You're trying to attach a debugger, but debug mode is switched off in your project. Enable debug mode. Yeah, enable debug mode. Who the heck? Why would it not be enabled? Why would you not want to be able to debug your projects? It's madness. Okay. Well, did it debug? Yeah. Okay, theoretically I'm attached to it. Wait, we're at the, okay, we're hit that point there, so I could step over. And what do we got? It's a string. It's a empty flipping string. Okay, so we got to figure out where this is set in the editor. Step over. Okay, so it's getting hit right here. Okay, so where does that set in the preferences? All right, you're good to go. Yeah. Okay. So edit preferences, external tools, Android SDK toolset, Android SDK root. So it for real thinks that's missing. So if Unity editor, get edit prefs, get editor prefs, get string. All right. Nope, not that. Is that? I forgot what's it called? Editor prefs. So it's almost like it's a different. Can we just list them all? Maybe. I'm sorry, I'm jumping around here so much. It's back. Good. Yes, still having buffering issues. My internet service provider. I mean, it's better than it was, but my internet service provider is not really blowing me away here. No, don't. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. All right, let's try this. Editor prefs. Dot. Can we get all? Delete all. Get set. We can't get a list of all of them. Get string. You know what? Let's debug again here. I'm going to drop it down just a little bit more, and I'm going to restart it from Unity. Oh, Unity is still stuck. Move. All right. Nope, it's not stuck. It just tried to reload. All right. I hate when this happens to me and I get stuck in a trivial thing for like an hour. Usually I don't go near Unity for a while when it happens. Yeah, I know. All right, I'll be right back in 1 second. back. Never fear, you're heading out. All right, well, take care. Okay, hold for busy. Okay, we must have hit the break point there. Okay, so we're going to editor press is a type which is not valid in the given context. We're going to step into this thing like a bunch. Nope, nope, we're not. It's just going to kick us right back out. Yeah. All right. Well, I could. You know what? I don't know if I should do this because then I'm gonna forget where I put it, and then there's gonna be like a change, and I could just hard code it here. But all right, we're just gonna go back into looking at editor pref there. Check Discord random. I'm on it. Screen log script. I'm downloading it. I suppose I will open Writer. All right, and so this will just log it to the screen. Okay. Log callback. Okay. All right. Wow. Cool. How do we implement this? So I just added to it. Okay, throw it on on any active game object in the scene. This makes perfect sense. All right, let me. Is that in downloads? I need to go into downloads and find that. Wait, no, you stay there. I still need to fix Blender later on. Control T. Can't do tabs in this. What kind of world do we live in? There we go. Downloads. Copy. Hopefully I can paste it right into Unity. Project scripts. I cannot. There we go. It's just called screen log script. All right, so let's go to the hello AR controller. On over there. Add component and screen log script. Whoa! Feeling pretty good about this one, huh, Super Jerry? I hope we're on. Okay, we got throw. Oh my God, the spinning wheel of death. You can change the maximum amount of lines you want to display before scrolling. All right, well, let's try a build. Build and run. Required API level is 29. Update Android SDK. Okay, hold on. Interesting. Well, so that's not good. So highest installed. I'm not sure what that'll build it as then. File, build and run. Okay, so all right, well that's starting its build. We're gonna go back to Rider and look in Shell Helper, and we're just gonna search for this whole thing. You know, we're just gonna. And the Android SDK root. All right. Whatever. The builds seem to have gone. Let's see what we got here. I'll pull it up for you guys. So Super Jerry, is this supposed to log something? Like, I mean, yes. Okay, sorry, that was not a right question. Where it's just supposed to show up on the screen, huh? Still not doing it. You can change the maximum amount of lines will display before scrolling. It did not do that for me. Okay, let's double check my setup here. Inspector, AR controller here. It did not. It did not do it. Okay, hold on. Add component. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Save. Control. So it just didn't get built in there. That wasn't you. It just didn't get added in there. I have a feeling AR broke it. Yeah, I think it just didn't. I must not have hit save when I tried to add that. Let's double check. It's still on there. It's still on there. All right, cool. And my phone is booting up again. There we go. Completely. Oh, it's failing to acquire the depth of an image. Yep, it's just saying it's failing to acquire the depth. Oh, whoop. Key not found exception. The given key is not present in the dictionary. Oh, it hurts my eyes. Oh my god. All right, Super Jerry, help me make the font a little bigger. That really, I must be starting to go blind in my old age. Arial 14. Okay, we're gonna just go 18 with that one. Ah, you know what? I'm going 20. That stings. I really trying hard to see it. Okay. Well, you know what? Did I use a capital in other places? Game manager. I did not. Womp womp. AR pawn. This is what I get for hacking stuff together like this. Oh, that my eyes still hurt. That's not. Oh, all right. Do it in hello AR. Yes, of course. Why would I have a capital letter and a key? What am I? Or it should be all caps. What am I? Losing my mind now? All right. We're gonna rebuild this. Control B. And dang it, I want to click through here while it's building, but whoa. Super Jerry, you are a legend. Oh my god, when you wrote that, I thought, wait, you did not use a capital earlier, but then I forgot to send that. Ah. Well, okay, so Alt Tab to here. Up, up. There we go. Uh-oh. I just got dinged from my consulting clients, I think. Wait, are they walking towards each other? No. Null reference exception, instant of an object, update, core 99. I'm not using all words, but it's going to be here. One of these two is null, most likely this one. Why would that be null? I don't know. All right, we're gonna hop back for a second and look at the preferences. Because I really do want to get debugging set up on this thing. Okay. See, it doesn't say what these values are. I'm still trying to figure out what that editor prefs is. Let's go back to here. Editor prefs. February, wow. Oh, join February 10th. It's like, wow, who's April 15th, April 28th? Yeah, wow. Okay. Editor press is actually the front end, either Windows registry or that. If you use reg edit in Windows, you can look up all the prefs present on your machine. Unless that's interesting. It's a little late, but all right, let's. Nope, evidently mouse not working. I can't right click this. Oh, I can, but it shows up on a totally different screen for some reason. Wow. Hey, let's see. Wait. What line is it on? If you untick the check mark and then tick it again, or untick it, set it to a custom SDK and then tick it again. All right. We can, well, we do, yeah, we did now just install another custom SDK, so we could do that. But yeah, okay, hold on one second. Stores and accesses Unity editor preferences and Windows 5X. All right, let's see what this is. I want to see what this file is. What does that HKC soft? What is that? God, I hate Windows. No, not Blender. Give me the other one. Oh my God. Open a new damn thing. Just go full screen. Okay, so it's not what I thought it was. What do you think that HKCU means? On the registry. Windows. There we go. That's what I need to get to. Yes. All right. Doesn't exist there. Oh, wait. Software, right. Local machine or current user. I don't know. Software. Do I actually have Danny's stuff installed on here? That's great. Unity Technologies. Editor. All right. Okay, now we are cooking. We're looking for Android stuff. And most of it is not actually set. I think that fixed it. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to click the text box. We're going to do that. Let's see. All right, we're going. So go like that. And go like that. And then I'm going to do it again with the NDK, because why not? And that. And that. And I guess that. Then that. There's no save button, huh? where it says compute, click the text box where it says computer. Wait, am I clicking the right text box here, or am I way off base here? I don't know. I'm going to hit run. All right. Come on. Okay, come on. Step over. Dang it. Okay, clearly I didn't do it right. Yeah. Ignore that. That was when you were trying to find the reg. I get it. Ah, all right. All right. Well, let's go back at the registry thing. And wait, let's go back here. Android SDK root. Android SDK root. Okay. It is probably not a string. It exists, it's just blank. Okay, Super Jerry, you're saving me right now because I'm very much confused here. I unticked the checkbox, browsed to a custom SDK, and then ticked it again. Okay, let's try and find where the, let's go here. Where's my, there we go. All right, let's see if I can figure out where this is installed. Android SDK location, all right. God's sakes, let me copy something for once. All right. Okay. We're going to uncheck it. We're going to browse. I don't know, I guess select the folder. I don't know why I went back, sorry. Okay. All right. Yeah, the regex shows it in that it's hex. Ah, oh, look at this. Instant preview. We didn't get the stuff to reflect the change on your device. Instant preview will be installed on a connected device. Da da da. Ooh, I'm feeling good about this. Oh God. Hold on. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing here. Where? What the heck? Okay, where is it? Allow? Oh, you can't. I guess it's not going to show you this. All right, cool. It stopped sharing the screen there. Hold on. Start now. Come on. Refresh. There we go. All right, connect this device via USB or Wi-Fi to your computer. Make sure it has ARCore Instant Preview enabled. It does. Press play in the Unity editor to stream. There's Unity. Oh, we got, dang it. Runtime error. Application has requested a runtime error. Is it because I've got, did it hit writer? It paused in writer? We got rid of our pauses there. All right. This is lovely. All right. Okay. Let's go to, got so many things open. Did Unity just crash? I think Unity just crashed. Great. If it works, it's cool, Super Jerry. If it works. If it doesn't work, then I am less thrilled about it. All right. Let's try this again. Look at it. No more error there, and a ton of errors. Wait, is it? Come on. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. I have no idea what's going on now. It just kills Unity. So that's not good. All right. Wondering if I should turn off instant preview since it seems to be freezing there. Yeah, just application update. Hold on. Just what the heck? This is where it gets annoying. Well, at least it can find the SDK now. I agree. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Okay, so let's see if there's a checkbox for instant preview or something like that we can turn off. Oh, and it didn't save my, whatever this is. Build settings, project settings. Development build, script, whatever, script only build, all right, blah, blah, blah. Project settings. I don't know. Seems like a bug in either Unity in the live preview or Unity. I know I'm trying to turn off instant preview maybe. Let's look in preferences. External tools. Let's see if I can get, it might not like the NDK version or something like that. Let's see if I can get that information going there. If we can do Nah, it's not going to tell me where that's installed. Hmm. I have no idea. Let's go back to this and see if it figures itself out now. Okay, so it managed to open up. And the second I unlock the phone, it blows up. Huh. Well, we didn't get them to fight today. Okay. What did we get? We did get, you got that log going. So we were getting a null pointer exception at 99 there. Let's just... Actually, no. We're going to go if the target is null, which shouldn't be. We're not adding null values. You know what? Actually, I wonder right here. Let's look at this. I'm getting component AR pawn. Should I instead be casting that to an AR pawn, maybe? Game object. Instantiate prefab. Okay. Maybe I should just cast it. So basically right here, it might be, we'll put something here. Let's see. Oh, I'm an idiot. I got this. Hold on, Matt. I got this. So what's happening is it's adding the board object as a pawn, and we don't want that. Else. There we go. All right, that might fix it. Let's rebuild here. Control B. Oh, that's nice. Don't think that is debuggable for us. Seems like it, but yeah. If it doesn't, it will return null. Yes, Super Jerry. Yep, that is what was happening. All right. So while that's building, I'm going to go back over here. I think that the streaming app has stopped for a second or third time. There we go. And now we've just got, there we go. Now we play the waiting game. Nope, nope. Good. Oh, they're battling. Oh, they overshot each other. That one's just floating off into space. I think that thing's still got a collider on it. This does show how the developer life is. Yes, this is. Oh man, you should have seen it yesterday. I had some crazy stuff happen that with my consulting stuff, and I had predicted this could potentially happen, and it was like, we need to fix this. Well, all heck broke loose, I'll tell you that. Did not go well. Security issues ignored, bad idea. Okay, so they can see each other kind of. Let's see. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this something up here. Let's see, private target, and if target equals null, then that oh. Okay, and we can get rid of this because that's not a problem anymore. All right. So I'm not sure. It should update the target's walk direction, but I could have this backwards. I might have to do this. And that should be the walk direction, maybe. I don't know. Let's find out. Control B. Nope. I actually have to be on the Unity window. Control B. Maybe? I have no idea. Well, we've had our ups and downs of viewers today. We got about 6 at the max. 7? Nope, 7 at the max. All right. And I'll tab to this. There we go. Nope, I was closer the first time. Oh wait, after the first two, they probably just go random. Like, all right, we're gonna go with just the first two here. I think I was probably closer the first time. All right, let's do this. It seems like once they collide, they continue to try and find the other person. Let's just make sure it's not equals name. Okay. Da-da. There we go. These things keep moving around on me. Got any fun plans for the weekend, Super Jerry, or whomever else is still on the stream? So this is interesting. I'll tab. The screen has actually frozen. And I'm actually moving it around right now. It's looking at my computer, but you can see it's not being updated. But I can still drop more of these guys in. And never mind. Come on. Alright, so we got one there. started to walk toward each other, but then is there any reason the walking direction wouldn't get updated here? In the update, yep. If target now equals null, it updates the walk direction. Don't know. Don't know. Well, I think it's time for me to take a breather on this anyway. I might stream some more later on. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if you can. If you're not already subscribed, check it out. I stream between once and twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon Eastern U.S. time, New York time. And yeah. Also, you can check me out on Patreon. I'm pretty sure I'm talking to 3 people right now, but we've got 44 playbacks. That's kind of cool. I'm going to keep working on this. This is fun. Need more caffeine. I'm also on Twitch at twitch.com/schematicalgames, and maybe I'll do some streaming there. Super Jerry, you're a legend. Thanks. Isminer, take care. And hopefully I'll get this working. Bye.